This is David Berner from the SWWC Technology Integration team. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to create, reuse, and import rubrics into Google Classroom. From the classwork page in your classroom, we're going to click on the Create button. For this example, we're going to choose Assignment. Once the assignment has been opened, you can title it and load all of the content necessary below. On the right-hand side of the assignment editor, you will find an optional Add-in button for Rubric. If you're noticing the button isn't clickable, it requires you to add a title to the assignment before using a rubric. Clicking on the Rubric add-on will open a pop-up giving you three options: Create Rubric, Reuse Rubric, and Import from Sheets. First, let's choose the Create Rubric option. This will enable you to create a rubric from scratch. When it opens, you will start with one criterion for the assignment. You can add additional criterion with the Add-on button at the bottom of the page. For the criterion itself, it's required that you give it a title. For this, we will use a generic example of creativity. Criteria and descriptions are optional. From there, you can start to add several criterion points. We will add in 3 more and start to title these as Exceeds Standard, Meets Standard, Partially Meets, and Does Not Meet. Once you have completed this, you have a couple options. You can choose whether the point totals are descending or ascending in their display. The point total will be at the top right corner. If you click on the ellipsis, you can choose to duplicate the criterion, delete it, or move it up or down. I prefer to duplicate before adding in specifics as it makes it easier to edit quickly. If you want to reuse a rubric from another classroom, you can choose the Reuse Rubric option. The window will show the rubrics you have available for reuse. You can click on the rubric and choose Select. This will upload the rubric into your assignment. If you would like to edit the rubric, simply click on it and follow the same steps as you would when creating a rubric from scratch. Our third option is to pull in a rubric from a previously created Google Sheet. By clicking on the Rubric add-on button, we see there is an Import from Sheets option. When you click on it, a window will pop up, allowing you to insert a spreadsheet either from your Google Drive or a file on your computer. Once the document is chosen, you can add it in and review it by clicking on it. Before finalizing the assignment, review the other options including topic, date due, total points, and if it should fall within a grade category. Once the assignment has gone live, the student can click on the assignment and review the rubric before beginning the assignment. From the teacher side, the teacher can review the work that was turned in by either clicking on the criterion to grade, selecting the bars below, or by entering in a score manually. On the top right, the score that is indicated in each category will be apparent by the changing grade. You can also clear a score by clicking on the criterion and choosing the Clear option. Now you know how to create rubrics in Google Classroom. This is David Berner with the SWWC Technology Integration Team. Thanks for checking out our video on rubrics.